This is actually a fun car for me. I've wanted to work on one of these for a while. You don't see them everywhere. People still don't even know what they are. So this is the Genesis GV80, and this is definitely like, this is the car for moms. I call it the cool mom car, right? So we're gonna be working on this. We're gonna be doing a paint correction and ceramic coating. So we'll have this wrapped up hopefully in a day or so, but I had to spend some time first on the grill. This is a lot of chrome, so I actually went in and did most of it.